All right, friends, to get started on our blower motor resistor, you want to be underneath the passenger side dash. Grab onto your wiring right along here, and you're going to find a tab. Go ahead and squeeze that. Pull this down. Give it a nice look. Make sure you don't see any funny colors. This looks great, so we'll set it aside. You're going to find two mounting bolts on this. There's one right there and one on the far side towards the front. Remove them both. Grab the resistor, pull it right out of here. There it is, friends. All right, friends, now it's going to be time to install our brand new resistor. Something that I want you to pay attention to is this area right here where it's kind of beveled. That's going to be facing towards the front of the vehicle. And take it and slide it right on up and in here. Perfect. Now we'll just start in both of our bolts and then we'll snug them up. Go ahead and connect in your connector. There it is. All right, now you just need to test it.